too. You did. Haha. Another one. Keep going, keep flowing. Omnipotent. The weed stay toting. I'll be blowing dang. I smoke that gas over here. I'll be off my ass. I'm in the past, fuck that. I'm in the future. Oh, you ain't heard? Fuck you heard. I'm off the bird. You lesson learned. Then you keep it, and then you lurk. Like what you flirt? You a flirt, or you's a bitch. Pick one you hurt. Fucking all this rapping shit. Nigga, I talking that facts and shit. Over here speaking that real shit. Just going on killing shit. I'm be popping and slapping. I don't know what happened. Gotta keep back relaxing. Smoke that gas. Just be chillin' with it. I'm like a villain. I'm reminiscing. Up in the ceiling. I'll be high. I'm in the clouds. In the mile. I'm chillin'. I'm from the south. I'm downtown in the crack. Over here. I'm in the house. Fuck you that. Take off your blouse and show me that. Ass is really fat. Now bring that back. Had to rewind and wait that shit from the start. Like, what was that? Thought we fucked the flow up. Oh, you didn't know what? I'm out there to killer tapes. Nigga got more of them coming up. Over here calling about some 80, 90 shit. And over here going crazy on any fucking bitch. Not just killing shit, killing any beat. And if you give me a beat, rap on the beat. Over here killing the street. She jump on the street, I do another 3P. Like I'm MJ, 96, 95, 97. Where we at? Blessed heaven. 98, he won it though. In 91, he killed him though. In 92, he did it again. In 93, he said it to his friends. He was gonna play baseball, just for a little bit. Came back like 45 and did that shit. Then he came in and knocked them out. 72 and 10. Where the fuck you been? Over here, fuck your friend. Then go to state. They went 73 and 9. That shit was stupid, cause LeBron came from behind. And then he sent that shit off the glass and he put them on the ass. Game 7 Wildin', Kyrie with the splash. That shit was stupid. That deuce go loose over here. What you doing? Hang yourself by loose. Like, why you killing? Why I'm drilling? I'll be chillin', I'll be reminiscing. Straight chillin', in the chair, lay back kicking. And I'll be feeling this shit is stupid. Everybody know what the fuck is wrong with him, yo. This Chico on the live, bitch, give me vibes. And over here I do this shit till I fucking die. Until I can't breathe, tatted on my sleeve. I ain't real killers, but yes, I'm a thief. Yes, nigga. Stay tuned, more coming, niggas.